Hello everyone. As part of our online course Startup Agile to Reality 2.0, here is the first session regarding our course. The topic is idea generation. So now let's look into the learning outcome that we can get from this session. The first one is regarding the idea generation, and the next one is regarding the steps from idea generation to implementation, and the last thing is regarding the techniques of idea generation. So, as I told earlier, our first outcome is regarding idea generation. We have to identify, or we have to think about what does idea generation means. So, idea generation or thinking is the act of forming ideas. We have to identify or we have to form ideas in order to get into a particular destination. That is the basic thing that we have to do in becoming in becoming an entrepreneur or such kind of activities. So it is the primary step and which helps in the formation of a concept with innovative ideas. We have to implement different innovative ideas, or we have to take different innovative ones in order to get into a good thing, or in order to get into a new idea which will be able to take part by others, and also it will help us to sustain in this business world. So that's the basic thing regarding idea generation, or the meaning regarding idea generation. So we know that idea generation is the primary step. To get into the idea generation to implementation, there are several steps from this. So we have to study, or we have to remind regarding such steps while we are looking into an idea generation to the implementation process. So let's look into the different steps regarding idea generation to implementation. So the steps are idea selection, scrutiny of all aspects, feedback reaction, a basic version or product, hitting the market, go for a test drive, corrections and improvement, growth planning, and the time to expand. So if we look into the idea generation to implementation, the first step is idea generation or the idea selection. First of all, we have to think that we have a clear cut idea, or we have a clear objective regarding what we have to do, or we must ensure all the things that what we are planning to do. So that is the basic thing that we have to do in our first step, that is idea generation or idea selection. That is, the clear objectives and measures must be characterized, which will help in sorting out the ideas that we have to keep at the end of our process. And also we have to select these ideas from different types of information and experience, and also from different types of strategies also. So that if we are looking into these points like information, experience and strategy, we know that there are many people, they are taking different types of strategies in forming their ideas. So these are the basic things that we have to select, we have to think, or we have to do at the initial stage, and also we have to take various techniques for generating this idea, or for selecting the idea from a plenty of ideas. So regarding the techniques that will be discussed by at the end of this video. So the first thing regarding from the step regarding idea generation or idea selection to implementation is idea selection. So, and the next thing, or the next step, scrutiny of all aspects. Scrutiny of all aspects means that while we are taking the idea from a different types of sources, or we are selecting the idea at our initial stage. So we have to identify all the aspects regarding the particular idea. Regarding we have to assess it through scientifically, or we have to identify which group will be benefited from our idea, or from the implementation of our idea, which type of group, or the interest group we have to identify. And also if we have to think about the potential that we are having, if we are capable of doing that, or that is we are mentally capable or physically capable. All those dimensions are coming under this thing, that is the scrutiny of all aspects. We have to think each and every aspect regarding the particular idea that we have selected. That is the second step that we have to think while moving towards the implementation of the particular idea that we have selected. And also from that we have to collect the feedback. Feedback means we have to collect the suggestions and suppositions from the individuals, individuals who are having a great priorities in their market, and they are great competitors. Like that way we have to seek feedback from many of the people. So that will help us in getting more experience, and also help us to think more regarding what we have to do in a clear-cut manner. So we have to collect the feedback from those respected personalities, and such type of collecting the feedback will help us to research on the particular area or the particular idea that we are focusing on. So that is regarding the feedback. So the next one is regarding the feedback reaction. Feedback reaction means we have collected this feedback from various personnel, and we have to think about that feedback, and from this we have to react according to the feedback that we have got or the survey that we have conducted, so that we can think about even if we are capable of doing that, or whether the cash will be able to get our targets, or such type of things that we have to plan regarding this from this feedback. So we have to execute at that time we will be able to execute a clear plan, and so it will be very beneficial for us to think about more on the on our idea, and so we will be able to do it in a perfect manner. So after collecting or after reacting towards the feedback, we have to implement, or we have to provide a basic version or a product that what we are going to implement towards the benefit of the society. So at that time we have to be very keen on what we are doing, or what all things that we have to do, which will help us in doing it in a perfect manner. So that we have to assess all the factors, and so we will be able to do it in a very good manner. So we have to excessively aspire regarding the objective of making a complete item in a basic or in a perfect manner, so that we will be able to do it in a very efficient manner, and it will be a great benefit for us in achieving our idea, or it will be very it will be a positive thing that we will be we will, and that we will be able to do something as part of our idea, so that it will be a great opportunity for us to think a lot regarding the positive and negative aspects as we are collecting the feedback, and thereafter it will be able to make a clear cut idea of the product or the version that we are planning to provide, so that it will be a great benefit for us to do so. And so we have to provide a basic version of the product that we are planning to do in the future. And the next thing is regarding the hitting the market. Hitting the market means we have to provide advertisements, or regarding the responses to the customers, or we have to make everyone attracted to the product or the idea that we are implementing, so that it will help us to refine or redefining the things, so that we will be able to do more on the basis of that, and it will be a great benefit for us to think and rethink regarding the idea that we are provided. So that is regarding hitting the market. So the next thing is regarding go for a test drive. If we are going for a test drive, that means we have to analyze different types of business experience factors like a business model, visual marking, informing, and client experiences. All these are basic factors that we have to identify, and it will help us in forming or shaping the way of the last thing, of the last product, or the basic idea of the product, and it will help us in providing a basic in a smooth flow of the business, and so it will be a great genuine market where we can afford it. So that we have to go for a test drive with our product or the vision, and so we will be able to do according to the responses from the market, and also regarding the prices, visual marking, etc. So that's regarding the go for a test drive. And so the next one is corrections and improvement. So regarding the corrections and improvement, from all the procedures that we have gone, we will be able to correct the different types of fault that we are making. And so after collecting the feedback from many people, we will be able to get a basic idea or a positive impact, and also we will be getting a negative side also from the product, and so we will be able to improve the idea, and thereby we will achieve a greater thing in our future. So we have to, the basic thing is that every idea there will be a positive and negative impact. At that time we have to correct the negative side, and we will be able to we have to be made able to compete with all those negative things, and we have to overcome all those things and making it in a much improved manner, so that it will be a great thing for us regarding the idea that we have formed. So as I told earlier, we have to sort the ideas from different types of sources as the information that we have collected from different areas, and so after collecting all these, it will be a great achievement for us regarding we have from at this moment, all from the step of correction and improvement. At this stage you will be able to do, or you will be able to think and rethink regarding different types of ideas and different types of things also. At that time you are having a capability to think by yourself, and also seeking the advice from many other high personalities. At that time you will be able to develop a greater achievement, and so you can redefine your idea, and sometimes it will be able to diversify your idea, and you can achieve much more profitability or much more personality by achieving a greater thing in your future. So that corrections and improvements in not on your business point of view, as in your personal life also, it will be a greater thing if you are having corrections and improvement. At that time you will achieve at a greater higher. And the next step is regarding the growth planning. As we have seen earlier regarding the corrections and improvement, we have to think about it, and we have to develop a new business plan or advertising or monetary system in order to empower our extension, so that it will help us in growing in a much better manner, and also it will be a great beginning of our working, so that we will be able to achieve a greater position. And also at that time we will be able to see that our idea becomes an into or our idea becomes implemented. At that time it will be a great achievement for us, so that we have to think about it, and we have to think regarding what are the ways regarding the planning, or for regarding for thinking about the growth. And also this the growth must be the main thing that you have to think about it, and you have to identify the ways how you can make the company profitable, or the make the idea profitable by expanding your business or by growing up your business. That is regarding the growth planning. And the last step of our idea generation to implementation is time to expand. Time to expand means, as I told earlier, growth planning. From that itself, in order to grow, we have to plan, or we have to think about what we have to execute in our journey, so that we are having an option regarding how we can expand our growth, and so we can do according to the time availability or the responses from the market. If we are having a great response from the market or the clients of our product or version, then we can sustain in that for a much time, and thereafter we can move, or we can diversify the idea, and thereby we can grow in a much better manner. So we have to think about every day, because every day the innovation is happening in much a higher manner, so that we have to be prepared for that, and we have to foresee all such things. And the great entrepreneur will be a person who are having a great vision regarding his future, or that is a planning regarding his future. So that we have to identify, or we have to think about all the ideas, and so we will be able to identify regarding the different opportunities and coping up with the opportunities and the advancement of the technology. And we also know that the technology is advancing, or it is growing in a much higher manner, and yeah, an entrepreneur will be able to get into the ideas by moving through the technological advancement, by taking all the opportunities available in the market, and thereby he will be able to attain the position or the thing that he have planned at his initial stage, that is at the stage of idea selection. So this is regarding the steps from idea generation to idea implementation. We have gone through different steps, and all these steps will tell us about certain things, and that will help us in scrutinizing our idea and thereby polishing our idea, so that we can do much better for our ideas. So now we have covered regarding the steps from idea generation to implementation. Now look on the techniques of idea generation. So the first technique is regarding the 5W plus H method. In 5W plus H method, we can think about the point, or regarding the idea about 5 Ws, that is who, what, where, when, why, and also the H, that is how. From all these questions, we can get a basic idea regarding what we are thinking, and what the basic idea in our mind implements about, so that we will be able to redefine regarding the idea, and we will be able to collect more information regarding this, and we will be able to get more information regarding this, and from feedback from many people, so that we can think about how it will be if we are proceeding with our idea. And so it will be a great technique if we are using this one, that is the 5W plus H method. The next technique is regarding social listening. Social listening means that we know that idea generation is not a simple task, and also it is a primary step where an entrepreneur will generate. In this step we have, or in this technique we have to think about the society, or we have to track what the society needs. Here we are telling about the Facebook or Twitter. If we are taking that case of Facebook, many people are using it because it is very useful for many people who are residing in different types of foreign countries, and it will be able to inform many things regarding them, and also it will be a great opportunity for us to contact them. That is the main thing. As many are residing in different countries, it will be a proper channel is required for them to communicate regarding their information or such type of activities. For that, the Facebook is such a better useful thing, and so the Facebook has succeeded in their business. So that we have to think about what the society wants, and so it will be able to think about what we can do for their needs. That is one technique where we can identify an idea regarding what the society needs, and we have to think about what their interest is on, and so we can basically think about how we can refine or reform our ideas. That is regarding the technique social listening. And the next one is regarding brainstorming. Brainstorming is a notable idea generation procedure, and also it includes tracking down the numerous answers which is regarding a specific issue. And so the main significance significance is regarding it will have a number of ideas, and sometimes it may have no quality at their generation stage, so that we can think about even strange ideas, and also we have to rethink regarding that, and thereby from all that sources we have to rethink. That is the only thing we can do, and thereby we can form a better one from all those strange ones, and we can select the better one which is adaptable for us and also which is useful for the society. That is regarding the brainstorming. Now let's look into the role play. It's a technique, and also from it we can interact with many people and from many places, and thereby we will be able to prompt the outcomes. And also it may not ensure that we are not able to we are not able to think about the outcome, and also we have to do some types of fascinating ends, and regarding we have to think about that new types of thoughts, that is innovative ones. So that is regarding the role playing. The next one is regarding the use of online tools. As we all know that the technology is advancing day by day, and also internet is used by everyone in our society or in our locality, so that we have to be in our social networking sites, and we have to think about the different types of ideas, and we have to distinguish them, and also think about it various alternatives, and thereby we will be able to get into an ultimate conclusion which help us in characterizing our business idea. So that is regarding the use of online tools, that we have to make use of every online tools in a efficient manner. That is the thing that we have to do for generating an idea. The next one is regarding mind mapping. Mind mapping means it is one more strategy where we can get into an innovative idea, and also with the help of mind mapping, it will help us to outline and addressing errands, and also the ideas and things which will help us in getting into a non-straight graphical design. Thereby, it will help in permitting the client to fabricate an instinctive system around their focal idea. So the next thing is regarding think in reverse manner. That is the last solution, or thinking into our getting into an idea is making a list in every amusing. We have to think about it, and we have to contact with many people regarding our idea, and they will contribute some types of benefits to us, and it will help us in getting more involved in our idea. And so some many people are having different types of creative skills. At that time we will be able to get into a more creative one if we are talking with another person, and so it will be a great technique for us in expanding our idea. So that's all about regarding the techniques of idea generation. And so now we had seen regarding the meaning of idea generation, and then the steps from idea generation to implementation, and from the techniques of idea generation. I hope you all are having a good idea regarding all these topics that we have covered. And the main thing is regarding that we have to select the idea on the basis of the needs and wants of the customers or the society. We have to take information, or we have to collect the feedback regarding our idea, and it will be very beneficial for us to reform it, rethink it, and redefine it, so that it will be a great benefit for us, and also it will be a great opportunity for us to think more, and also to contact many people who are having high qualifications, and so we will be able to we will be able to build our career in a very much manner. So think about it, and you have to do as according to your wish and your priorities. many are having different types of thinking capabilities. So it's our responsibility to think and think regarding the things happening in all around the world, and so it will be a great benefit for us. And thank you for hearing me, and wishing you all the very best for a bright future.